a web developer and interested on technology? And do you often think of knowing the framework, computer language, the technology, operating system, web server used in a website? Well, you are at the right place. Let's see how we can gather the detailed information on website. First type www.webalizer.com in any of your browser in the address bar. After that, let's see what actually Webalizer is. Webalizer is a cross-platform utility that uncovers the technologies used on websites. It detects content management systems, e-commerce platforms, web frameworks, server software, analytics tools, and many more. So you simply have to click on download. Scroll down, then see we are installing the extension, so you can choose any of these two options, Webalizer for Chrome or Webalizer for Firefox. I want this for Chrome. If you want it for Firefox, you can do it, no problem. Let's do it for Chrome, Webalizer for Chrome. Okay, after that I'll get this on the right side at the top, add to Chrome. Click on it. I'll click on add extension. Let's see, it's been downloaded. Adding to Chrome now. See, now this new Webalizer icon is present. So this Webalizer has access to this site. When you click on it, you can see in which programming language and what server is this webalizer.com is using. So see, it's using Google Analytics, and web framework is Swiftlet, and web server this one JavaScript libraries, and programming language it is made on PHP. Operating system is Ubuntu. So in this way you can check the programming language and the server used in any particular website. Let's see another example. Let's see for google.com. See, this is Webalizer. Click on it and you can see web server is Google Web Server. Let's see for another, wordpress.com. Click on this, so it shows you CMS used is WordPress, blog WordPress, programming language is PHP, database is MySQL, and the reverse proxy, web server, and everything. Hope you enjoyed this technique, and I hope this is helpful to you in determining the programming language or any other detailed information regarding any website. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.